So today I'm going to talk about the selling limits for new sellers on eBay. So when you first sign up to sell on eBay, you might only be able to sell 10 things a month for like $500 or something. And that's where I started. So what you have to do is you have to list those 10 items. Just sell those 10 items the first month. Sell whatever you want. Sell something around the house. And then after you've sold about half, sell like 5 and have 5 listed. And then go ahead and call eBay to try to raise your selling limits and say that you have a whole bunch of stuff that you want to get listed, and you want to list more on their platform, and they might raise it your first month. I'm not sure with it being your first month if they'll do it, but it doesn't hurt to try it. So, and the next thing is you can actually call eBay every single month in order to raise your selling limit. And kind of a tricky thing you can do, and eBay doesn't really care if you do this. This is what I've heard from other people that have like 500,000 item selling limits, and so what they do is once they have like 100 item selling limit, they'll list like 10 items but have a quantity of 10, and then they'll artificially raise the price to like $500 each. And then when eBay looks at your account, it'll look like you're listing a lot or you're hitting your limits, because they want you to show that you're at least selling, that you at least have sold or have listed at least half of your selling limit. So that's one way to like artificially show eBay that you're meeting your selling limits. But just remember to call every month, and after a few months you should be able to sell quite a bit of stuff. I think I haven't done it every single month, but I called probably 4 or 5 times, and I'm up to 200 items a month that I can list. And I should be calling in the next week, and hopefully I can get that up to around $500 items a month. We'll see what happens. I'll let you guys know what they raise it to. So just remember what day you called, and then just call that same day every single month and talk to eBay to see about raising your limits. That's really the only thing you have to do. And in order to find the number that you call, go to your seller dashboard on eBay and look at your selling limit widget and click on increase my limits or something like that, and then it'll bring up what you should call, what number you should call, and it'll give you a code to put in when you actually call. And that's just so they can know who's calling a little bit quicker, so they can process the calls more quickly. So that's really it. If you like this video, make sure you like it, and I'll see everyone next time.